Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the ZMH LED ceiling light. It's a living room ceiling light, as you can see. It comes on the black finish and it is 82 centimeters. It's a living room dimmable lamp with remote control. For example, for the bedroom, 61 watt with 3 rings, as you can see. Design is nice. Acrylic and aluminium materials for the bedroom, the office, kitchen, and so many more things. It's available with 2 rings or 3 rings as you like. You can buy it in champagne and in black as shown here. We have here a modern creative design. This living room ceiling light consists of 3 different sized rings and a ceiling bracket. The 3 rings are made of aluminium and acrylic. We can create a high degree of brightness so that even larger rooms experience the right illumination with this lamp. And the lamp is dimmable via the remote control. The brightness of the ceiling light can be adjusted continuously, and the color temperature can also be adjusted from cold white to warm white. This means that the brightness and the color temperature can be better adjusted to our wishes, and we can also create the mood when we reduce the brightness. We have here high quality materials. This, for example, bedroom lamp is made of high quality aluminium and iron with robustness, and acrylic has high light transmission. It adopts the latest LED production process compared to conveniently energy saving bulbs or LED lamps. The service life is so long and the lighting is softer and more even awesome. The product dimensions are approximately 82 to 58 to 15 centimeter. The ceiling plate dimension is 24 to 3.6 centimeter. The power consumption is 61 watt. The fine ceiling light with a total of 4,880 lumens illuminate any room perfectly. The color temperature is from 3000 K up to 6500 K Kelvin. The bulb type is an LED lamp which is fixed. The power supply and the plug is a topic of a corded electric connection. Whenever in the living room, bedroom, dining room, study or a hallway, as well as in commercial and exhibition rooms such as restaurants and coffees, galleries, halls. This light combines modern lighting technology with pleasant light for a unique light atmosphere. So we have a wide application for it. You can make it where you need it, and the LED ceiling light can certainly be described as graceful, almost as puristic. It is worth emphasizing that the LEDs adorn the ring continuously, so that relatively even the light can be achieved. The chrome surface, with its high gloss effect, makes the light-emitted dark ceiling light appear even more elegant. A very stylish modern lighting object. The LED ceiling lamp is a very modern-looking light element with a high functionality. It creates a bright glow that can be infinitely dimmed if necessary, using the included remote control for that. In addition, it is also possible to adjust the light color of the light-emitted diodes, so that not only warm white or more gauzy light is available, but also cool white and daylight white, which are better suited for working. And dimmable and switchable color temperature. The brightness can be continuously adjusted via the remote control, and the color temperature can also be adjusted from the cold white to warm white. In this way, the brightness and the color temperature can be better adapted to our wishes. And we can also create the mood by reducing the brightness. For example, this designed LED ceiling lamp is an ideal furnishing item for modern spaces, as the lamp has a clean and creative look. It consists of 3 illumination rings, and all of which are made of aluminium and have a black finish, or champagne finish, as you like, because they are available in 2 different colors. And of course, they are available in 2 different shapes, with only 2 rings, or here as shown with 3 rings. This is the ZMH LED ceiling light, and it's really easy to attach. You have to attach first the hub. These are 2 metal plates, and these 2 metal plates you have to attach to the wall, to the ceiling most of the time, and then you have to connect the power line, of course, the power supply, and then the only thing you have to do is tighten 4 screws, and job's done. So easy it is, and looks really beautiful, as you can see. That's the ZMH LED ceiling light. It's a living room ceiling light. It's black in this case. 82 centimeter living room dimmable with remote control device. And for a bedroom, for example, 60 watt with 3 rings design. Acrylic and aluminium for the bedroom, for the office, for the kitchen, or to study. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.